From His Precious Stones. I am coming here. We're gonna get making this one hat. So of course, like I told you, I took some of my twigs that I buy. They're already at the store, like they have snow on them, and I don't like that. But if you buy the ones without snow, they are like so much more money. So you can take them and clean them off. And I wanted a little bit of snow. It is kind of, you can clean it all off. It comes off and you can clean it all off and you'll have branches without snow. But I wanted a little bit, so I made myself like a little nice little cluster like this, and I put one of my little twisty ties that I saved from other arrangements, and then I broke off the rest of the end. And then after that, sorry about the arm show, I kind of placed it on the hat the way I kind of wanted it. I know they have already branches, thick branches, but these are twigs and I want to have some of that. So I glue down the stand that's inside the bird, and you can see from the back a little bit, you can see where I tied it, but that's going to be covered, so don't worry about that. And I wanted this a little bit in front like that, and then I'm going to be putting greenery all in front of this so you won't see all the glued up, marred up stuff. But now I've kind of got it on my hat ready, and I just wanted to show you that. And I just kind of, I placed the bird in between some of the branches so it brought it out in front and some in the back, not just all in the back, be dimensional. So I'm getting ready to show it to you here. So we're going to get some greenery. I would have already had it out, so let me just get it out. Okay, so I wanted to let you know how I was kind of working on it. I know you've seen my video before. I've done the car and the nativity scene and the reindeer. So whichever one you would like to look at, I did different ones, so you can look them up, Snowman hats. And I think it's on the car that I show exactly like step by step, all the way detailed how I do my greenery to my next step and so on. Anyways, so let me show you the one I did with the bird. So you're going to have all this greenery here, and I kind of did an arrangement on top, which is not a common thing. I usually do like snow or something, but you've got to have the bird be kind of covered in foliage so it looks really cool. Let me just do my light like this so we can get a better look at it. So we got the bird and the berries and the flower, the Christmas flower. I got a little Christmas flower there. And it's farther away from the last ending over here. Remember, finish your finisher piece is there. Don't leave an open gapped hole that don't look nice. And some of my sticks you're seeing sticking out. I like it. It looks cool. Sticking way out like that. It looks kind of neat. Big pine cone in front. Smaller little pine cones all around. Lots of berries in this one. It's a bird and the berries and the so lots of pine cones. So I'm thinking I'm actually wanting a pine cone like right here. So I'm thinking I'm going to put one there. Yep, I want that one there. So I'm going to get a pine cone, which I buy these pine cones on the things here. And they're just wired on. Just clip the wire off and pull it off of the thing. Now, I don't throw these away because you can use them as tree things and glue stick thingies. I use the wires that we just unwired this from to wire up like my branches so that they would stay together. And yeah. So, yeah. And you gotta hold it there. I want to push that berry that I have there kind of more forward. So put the pine cone behind. Tighten it up. Anyway, let me see where I show you. I put the one with the little bit of snow blob there. In there. Snow blob. You ever heard of snow being blobbed? Well, it is. Alright. So I feel like I'm done, and this is the snowman hat with the red bird. And just make sure that your bird is nice and tight and everywhere, you know, with all the little doodads, because, you know, sometimes these ornaments can be very cheap. I've taken them apart to just put them back together and glue them correctly so that they stay together and be good. But the way I would want them to be. Now I'm going to put some glitter glass on here for some snow effect, and I'll show it to you when I'm done. So how I do my glitter glass is, of course, I just take some and I put some of this stuff here. I'm gonna let it drip a little bit, but then I kind of stop it and kind of pat it down. Okay, I'm gonna put some here and here, and I kind of like make it like a, yeah, kind of, you know, get some of there. Oh, get that off of there. I'll paint some of the leaves here with a little bit of it in the middle of the flower. Oh, that doesn't matter. It's just going to be snow anyways. And then I'm going to put some up here. Okay, now that brush is shot. Okay, and I just take my glitter and I'm going to pick my head up. So I want to do it over this. And I'm going to do it there. Here. Up here. On the side. Right there. And on the leaves. Don't worry, I'm not wasting it. Okay. Alright, now let's see here. Oh. Okay. I don't want to knock this down. And you're gonna tip that up. And you gotta get what's on the top there. Alright. Alright. Okay. Alright, just a second here. You definitely want to get your glitter back into your thing. Alright, I'll pick these little bad pieces out. Alright. I say don't use your hand to wipe your table off. I can't find my other brush. I have a different brush. I never usually use this one for glitter glass because I don't want to get glitter in my hand. I'll throw that brush away because it's no good now. Old shaving brush, you know, that works good to clean your station. There we go. The glitter glass is all on the outside area of everywhere. Now, ouch! And in my hand. Alright. I'm going to get that brush again. Oh. And I'm going to put a little bit of glitter in the, I want some of the, pine cones. Get my words out for you, huh? A little bit of glitter in this one too. A little bit there. A little bit here and on those, and a little bit on the berry. Oh, how about right there? How about a little bit on this flower? Yeah. And a little bit in that one right there. All right. And a little bit for right there. All right. Now, back to this again. And a little bit more. Sorry, I'm kind of putting you out of the frame here, but I need to push it back some right now because I need to keep this on the paper so that I don't lose my glitter. All right, let me get it off my fingers. All right, let me see here. All right. There we go. It's pretty. I don't want that piece in there. It looks like a horrible piece to have put back in the glitter. Well, this is it. I think it looks absolutely stunning. It looks absolutely stunning. As you see right here, all the pieces done. The glitter in there and right there. It looks absolutely stunning. I like it very much. Hope you like it all too. And I like to clean up all the little straggly little onesie areas, you know, because you don't have to have that much glitter in there. So I do this little cleaning up of the glitter that's not supposed to be. It's just kind of in there just because, you know. So I want have a little bit of black area. You know, I don't want to have all this. So there we go. There we go. It looks so pretty, and I like it very much. That was really dirty glass glitter. So anyways, so this is Brenda. Again, this is His Precious Stones, and I'm really enjoying these Christmas snowman hats and making them original and to my own liking. And I've made a few of them, and hopefully other people will like them, and they'll purchase them at the Christmas boutique that I'm going to at the Elks Lodge in Livermore, November 28th. of 2017. If you like my work and you want to buy it, you can come out there November 28th. It's between, I think, 9 and 3, and that is in Livermore at the Elks Lodge. And, yep, in Livermore. Okay, God bless. Bye.